for antelope. Antelope means heron. B for bear. Bear means bhalu. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fox. Fox means lomdi. G for giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I for iguana. Iguana means iguana. J for jaguar. Jaguar means jaguar. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means the kangaroo. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for newt. Newt means chipkali. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P for panda. Panda means panda. Q for quail. Quail means quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for snake. Snake means saap. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for urial. Urial means jangli bhed. V for vulture. Vulture means geed. W for wolf. Wolf means भेड़िया. X for etc. etc means एक प्रकार की मछली. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.